change is not for us to fear, it is for us to grow. So I welcome in change with grace, and I trust that the shifts that unfold before me are here to help me grow into my new identity. Every disruption is a doorway, every surprise is an initiation into my next level. The old patterns shatter now. The chains that held me back are broken. Uranus clears the path. Our planet of change is here to take away, to disrupt, to tip upside down, not to destroy me, but to free me. I am adaptable. I am resilient. I move with life, not against it. Change does not weaken me, it strengthens me. It gives me the new path and trailblazes my next steps into my new identity. Change does not shake me, it shapes me. With every unexpected twist, I grow sharper, I grow wiser and freer. The universe is guiding me into expansion, and I'm directed into new pathways, new routines, new opportunities, and my new identity. I am carried into the greater version of me. Today, I rise into that next identity. I choose flow over fear. Today, I embrace the chaos as creative energy, and I see this disruption as the greatest gift to take me to the next level. I am strong. I am grounded. I am free, and I am ready. Change is my ally, my best friend. It's here to take me to the next steps. Change is my teacher, and change is my liberation. Thank you for the changes we are going through, and so it is.